My name is Natalie Fritz, and for my health and wellness course at the University of Grand Canyon, I will be reviewing an empirical article that I researched to help me answer my proposed health and wellness question. This question is as follows: does tart cherry juice aid in muscle recovery in athletes? Potential unreliable sources for this topic would be anything found on social media. The reason I first came across this topic was because I saw something on my TikTok feed that was an advertisement for cherry juice, and it was targeted to athletes, and it said before a run, like, I always make sure I have my tart cherry juice, so I was kind of intrigued, and I wanted to see a little bit more about that and see if I could find a reliable source and a reliable empirical article that supported that data. This article that I found is posted by the Clinical Nutrition Research Center, and it's titled "The Effect of Tart Cherry Juice on Consumption on Body Composition and Anthropometric Measures, a Systematic Review and Meta-Analysis of Randomized Controlled Trials." This article was published in 2023, making it super reliable, and it is a research article, so there's set trials and set subjects that they actually did the experiment on, making their findings extremely valid. In their introduction, they talked about the different polyphenols that tart cherries do contain that give them antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which is why they are believed to help in muscle recovery and change in body composition overall over time with consumption. The subjects that they used in this study were 126 men and women aged 30 to 70 that they did a week-long trial on, just seeing if consistent consumption altered their BMI, their body composition, or their body weight. And the results of this trial were that there was not significant changes seen. They concluded that though these subjects only consumed these tart cherries for about a week, that there was no significant changes seen. Therefore, the tart cherries do not have an effect on altering body mass, body composition, or BMI. I personally chose this topic because I am an athlete here at GCU, and staying at the top of my game is vital into the success at the D1 level. Many athletes like myself are always looking for tools to best equip their bodies for the intense training we endure. Personally, I think I will still try tart cherry juice in a similarly conducted trial, because my research also found that they contain melatonin, which aids in sleep, and sleep is vital for recovery. So I will see if that has any impact on my recovery. Thank you for watching.